Welcome to another installment of Matt's Towing and Recovery. We've got a couple things today. We've had a few fans actually stop in from all over the world over the last couple of weeks and just kind of check the place out, see if we're for real. And turns out we are.
We've enjoyed watching you on the videos. We sure have. And Matt and the yellow banana.
So where are you from?
Iuka, Mississippi.
I got a call from the Washington County Sheriff Dispatch that we've got I think it's a Ford Ranger or up off the road at towards the Oak Grove campground.
Next.
And so we're headed up there. They said it's over an embankment and off the road a little ways. And we brought Ed with us today.
We're headed up to find something. I don't know what it is, but we'll get it out. We've been up here before.
Nice to get this front end away from the tree. And then I'm going to hold it here.
Will it start?
It probably will. Hold it there with the seatbelt.
And okay, so why the seatbelt? Hey, why the seatbelt?
The seatbelt's just holding it from steering, so it's like having an extra guy in there holding the steering. The seatbelt can hold the steering wheel straight, unlike a person. Okay, so we've got it hooked up. Not very good. Not good for towing, but we're gonna pull up here. There's a wide spot in the road where we can safely get everything hooked up. We've got all these weekend explorers out here. We gotta let you get around. How many cars is that? 6 or 7?
Must have got a flat tire. That's why it's bouncing.
No, it's all the tires are aired up. I was happy to find that out.
So when he showed up, he had a little mark right here on his nose. But other than that, he was moving fine. Like nothing happened. Bad day. He's lucky. Yeah, he could have rolled. That's like I thought. Like this could have been so much worse, man.
We do.
Sorry, Ed.
You have time to run my metal detector. Got it out okay, nobody got hurt.
It's nice when all the wheels are still on there and it'll steer and roll, so that helped us out a lot.
8, 9 cars went by, everybody's out driving the roads. This guy couldn't stay on it.
What's going?
It's an 02 Dodge Dakota, 4-wheel drive. I bought it used about, I don't know, when it was 4 years old. I'm putting the transmission in it.
Looks like some bell housing bolts, and I think Ed's got it about ready to go.
I got that loose, but now I gotta raise it up and put an extension in there with a swivel maybe. I had to cut the heads off.
Built you a custom tool there, huh?
The only thing I got.
And then this bracket will come out.
I didn't even see that.
Morning, Ed.
Oh man, I'm alive, dang it.
Yeah. So you got the transmission out.
just about there. Drive shafts and some oil in the dipstick tube. And she'll be rolling down the road, hopefully.
Got the transmission in it. Brian's a good man. He lifted the transfer case up, got it all in. All we got left is drive lines and oil. It works. Brian pulled a miracle. Great job.